Hey everybody, my name is Lowell and welcome to the channel. So this time we've got Mother Nature being chaotic for 9 minutes. We did one with the weather which was fantastic, so I thought we'd jump back into another one. Let's do Mother Nature being chaotic for 9 minutes straight.
Hello there and welcome to the unbelievable. Here is intense footage of an impending sandstorm in West Africa.
I thought that was clouds.
でもね、もう5分で来るよ。
Man, you would not like to have asthma if you were there. Holy moly, look at that. Oh, can you just imagine that being everywhere? Everywhere. Oh my god.
A storm is recorded wreaking havoc in Brisbane, Australia.
Brisbane again. Jeez. Wow. Oh, there goes the tree. I wouldn't be laughing. I'd be getting away from that wave, mate. Yeah. The wave's coming. Are you moving?
That'll be all right.
Here is very dramatic footage of the 8 magnitude earthquake in Nepal in 2015.
Wow. Look at the building just crumbling.
Beat it!
Get outside, you idiots.
Are you okay? Come out!
What are you inside for, you idiots? Get outside, you idiots.
It's okay.
Oh my god, what are you inside for? The bloody earthquake. Oh. Well, that's okay. That's just a little powder. That's not too bad. All right. Oh, look at
A train runs straight through a tornado, causing it to derail.
Oh, oh, geez. Oh, geez. What are you doing, idiot? What? Why would you go? Why would you go anywhere near that?
A sandstorm appears out of nowhere at the worst possible time.
Symbolize your separate
Oh
lives.
my god.
separate
Okay, wrap it up.
families,
Come on,
and
wrap it
separate
up.
sets
Yep,
of
I
friends.
do. Let's go.
Pour it again into the individual containers, so will your marriage be.
Oh my god. Alright, priest. Let's go, wrap it up.
I know, but pour after. Hold on.
It's a little bit gritty. It's a little gritty.
I'm gonna make this congratulations. You may kiss the bride.
Alright, let's go. Wrap it up. Come on.
Go.
Come on, wrap it up. Let's go. What the hell?
Oh,
This might be the most extreme lightning strike ever caught on video.
Oh! It goes across the sky. Wow. Where are you going, kid? What the
Here we see the unbelievable height of the 2011 tsunami in Japan.
Wow. That is stuff of nightmares. Holy moly. Oh, is that whole thing gonna break? Is that whole thing going? Oh. That's going to be a big wave. Watch out. Watch out. It's like a mountain. I would probably step back a little bit
Busgoers in
further.
Hong Kong are left stranded due to severe flash flooding.
Wow. Are they on a bus? They are too. Okay. Oh. Dust devil. A bit bigger than a dust devil, but anyway. Holy moly.
To možná jsme i bez střechy, dívej. To jde sem.
That tornado.
Jak to lítají ty věci?
Okay, somebody's house just flew by. What the heck?
Milunko, my taky asi přijdeme o to.
Here is footage of a dust storm turning a city into yellow darkness in Saudi Arabia.
Wow. That is eerie, isn't it? That is eerie. Look at it. Whoa, whoa. What is that? Oh. Like a little corner. Why are you still on the field for? Get off the field.
CCTV captures the destruction of a tornado in Iowa.
Oh, wow. Wow. Is that rain cloud? What the heck is that? Oh, son of a... Jeez. Oh, this kid, he's got a 100 IQ, I tell you. 1,000 IQ, I mean. Standing behind the pole.
A large dust devil forms during Burning Man Festival in 2012.
What is that? Cloth or a blanket or something?
Here it comes.
Let's just stand here and watch it while we get sucked into it.
That's Central Arizona College.
Wow.
And they're about to be engulfed.
I don't realize how big that cloud is. Look at it coming over.
Right. It's time to bail.
Look at that.
I don't need my sunglasses.
That's something I wouldn't mess with, volcanoes. Nah. Nah. Get out, get out, get out.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Unbelievable.
That is crazy. That is crazy. I said it last time, you know, Mother Nature is a force to be reckoned with. You know, we're minuscule compared to its power. It's unbelievable, you know. So, you know, you see there with the wind and the dust and, you know, the rain and the earthquakes and such. It's just ridiculous. We are at her mercy, that is for sure. So let me know if you enjoyed that one. Something to watch, something to enjoy when you've got some good weather. You know, when the weather turns bad, you never know what's going to happen. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well too. So, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that big red button down there. You can't miss it. So guys, thank you very much for joining me today. Make sure you stay safe wherever you are, and I'll definitely see you in the next reaction video. Did you enjoy that video? Why not watch another one?